I must say, you have a really good command on the language. Maybe because you are a teacher. That's why you speak really well.
There were many things which were great, which I did. Like today, I did exercise after a very long time. And today, I was looking forward to this conversation. Apart
Oh,
from this, I studied a lot. And today, I'm wearing this t shirt for the second or for the third time. So, these are the things which make me feel that things are going so great so far.
okay. So orange is your favorite color, I guess.
My favorite color is black, but I do like wearing orange.
Oh, really? Even I like orange. Why do you like orange? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, there isn't any specific reason to like it, but put on orange color. It looks good on me, so it becomes a bit favorite of mine then.
Yeah, same here. Even I love orange.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's start with your introduction then.
Yes, sure. Ma'am, my name is Sunil, and I am from the capital of India, that is Delhi. Regarding my educational qualification, so I'm an engineer. I did my BTech from one of the nicest universities, that was Punjab Technical University. And I did my BTech in 2012,
Mhm.
almost 11 years back.
And what are you presently doing?
Ma'am, whatever I'm doing is opposite of my educational qualification.
All
That
the engineer
I have
story,
been, I,
mostly.
yes, this usually happens, and these days I'm into teaching. I have been into teaching for almost 5 years.
And what do you teach? What?
It is a bit strange to it is a bit strange to say that ma'am, I'm an English teacher.
Oh, okay, okay. Now I'm very curious to know you are an English teacher and now you're joining these sessions. Bit weird,
Well,
right?
this, yes, it might be, but I have joined this application to experience new things. I wanted to spread my wings. That's why I joined this application. And beside this, I'm running my own YouTube channel. So I wanted to give something new to my YouTube channel. That's why I'm using this application.
Okay, so on your YouTube channel you teach, right? English?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Mm-hmm. So, how do you teach? Do you teach grammar part or do you teach something else?
Yes,
Soft skills
whatever.
also.
Yes,
Yeah.
I do multiple things there. Like so far, I have uploaded more or less 140 or 142 videos. So in those videos, I have taught multitudinous things, like some videos are related to job interviews, some videos are for pronunciation, and some videos are for grammar, some videos are for vocabulary part. So like this, I have uploaded videos.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Oh,
I think this is a good job, right? I mean,
yeah, thank you.
you can create videos whenever you want. Okay.
Ma'am, it takes a lot of time to upload a video because I always try to give something new. And in order to have that video, first I need to rack my brain. I need to think out of the box that today what I'm going to teach or on what thing I need to make a video. And after that, and I have a specific room for that. Whenever I go in that room, it takes a considerable amount of time to complete that video. And ma'am, I still face adversity while facing the camera. My mind goes blank. I forget all my lines, and I start sweating, and then I go for several retakes. Thereafter, I go for editing. For editing, it also takes time. Then I record, and then once I upload, so the internet I'm using, it is not right. It is not as fast as it should be. So, ma'am, it takes a lot of time.
Okay, is this your passion or why are you doing this? I
Yes,
hope it
yes.
is because YouTube, a lot of people are on YouTube these days.
Ma'am, being on YouTube is a very different thing for me. That that I feel that whenever I'm on YouTube, it it pushes my limits, and I always try to do something unique and something different, and it makes me a
Yeah.
bit creative too. Because, ma'am, there are multiple teachers on YouTube for teaching, so I try not to imitate anything from them, and I always try to give something unique which has never ever been on YouTube. So I feel
Mhm.
I'm enjoying what I'm doing, and I feel I'm a bit unique. And ma'am, you would rarely find people like from my area. I don't feel that there are many people, those who are on YouTube, those who are making videos. So there I become joyous.
Oh, correct. So when you go outside, I hope you are very famous on YouTube. What's your YouTube channel's name? Do people recognize you when you go out?
And then one day it happened that earlier I used to hit the gym. I used to go to the gym. So one day I was hitting the gym, and I needed one of the persons to support. So there was a boy, and I asked him that, could you please help me with this lift, with this weight? And he did help me with that weight. And after that exercise, he told me that I have seen you on YouTube. So, ma'am, it meant
He was a subscriber.
it meant yes, he must be, and it really made my day. And I was on cloud nine to hear something from that, and I really did not know that person.
Oh my god. Okay,
I'm
so
not
how
very
many
famous,
subscribers do you
ma'am.
have? Uh-huh.
uh, Subscribers are limited. Like, I have not completed 1K yet. So I have virtually 672 or 73 subscribers.
Oh my god. It's a great number, I think.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Oh my god. This is very unique, right? When you go outside, you might get some special treatment. After some days, maybe you become literally very famous. People would be coming and, asking you about your YouTube channel. I think you'll get a lot of fame. Definitely.
Thank you, but I'm waiting for that such beautiful day that I don't know when it will come. I know it is going to take some time, but I'm particularly certain for that sooner or later that day would come.
Definitely. And every day, do you make videos every single day or how?
Yes, ma'am. These days I'm making videos on a regular basis.
Definitely, I think so. You're going to be very famous. You will forget me also, and one day I'll come and I'll be like, oh, we met. Okay, you remember.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm going to stick to my roots. I would never ever change that. The time I'm going through, it is very tough. So I'm not going to forget this time. Whatever I'm going to achieve, I would always remember the bad days of my life.
Oh
Ma'am,
my god.
change would be there. I would I would surely change for few things, but I would try not to change entirely. Wholly, I would not change.
Mm-hmm. Correct. And in your friends, there is no YouTuber, I guess. You are the only one.
Yes, ma'am. One of my friends started it, but I don't know what went amiss, and he stopped working on that. So he gave up, and even my channel is also not getting the views I deserve. But I'm not going to give up. I'm going to be there. I'm going to hang in there and whatsoever.
Yeah, a lot of people leave actually when they don't get the desired result. Like you have created 140 videos.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I think, yeah, no problem. I think you enjoy making videos. So you will
Yes, ma'am, I do.
definitely, yeah, correct. Okay, so today's topic was advertisement. Do you want us to talk about the topic or something else?
Yes, before I go for that, I would love to know a bit about yourself.
Yes, my name is Mansi. I'm from Delhi.
Mhm.
I'm also from Delhi.
Oh, that's nice.
And I really like teaching. I have completed my graduation this year, and I want to do post graduation very soon.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is your ambition? That what's your like primary goal?
I
Apart
want to
from this,
become a
what do you do?
teacher only. I want to become a teacher only professionally. So I'll be doing masters, and after that, I have to go for some exams.
Okay, do you want to work as a government teacher?
Yeah, maybe I'm okay with private teaching also, but I want to teach in universities only. So
Okay, you
I
want
am
to
very
become a
inspired. Yes, yes.
Mhm.
My own professors, my own teachers. I want to be exactly like them.
All right, that's nice. So, ma'am, yes, last question, and then we can go for the topic that you have chosen. That what subject would you teach?
What subject? Okay. I am still confused. I have done BSc. I have so many subjects. I'm still confused what subject should I choose. But
Mhm.
maybe environmental study. Yeah, so I was asking, do you remember any advertisement, any favorite advertisement?
All right, advertisement. I really don't remember, but every day whenever I watch television, so there are various advertisements that I'm done with. That if I talk about any product that Shah Rukh Khan is there, and I don't know Shah Rukh Khan or Salman. Salman is my favorite, so I would not go against him ever. So yes, I would love to talk about Hrithik Roshan. So Hrithik Roshan does the advertisement for Mountain Dew, and wherever he goes, is this? Are we on the right path? Is this that you wanted me to discuss?
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay, yes. So, ma'am, that advertisement is for Mountain Dew. So whenever he goes for Mountain Dew, and I don't know, nothing happens. That I also drink that, but people never ever get extra energy, and people do not come out of their fear after drinking that. Even people have the problem of obesity, that people become gluten and they become fat. So it's not good to drink mount. What is that?
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. Yes. So I don't find it's worth watching that advertisement, or it's worth buying any product after watching the advertisements.
Mhm. Correct.
So this
And
and mhm.
uh-huh.
Vimal is
Yeah,
also
yeah,
there,
yeah.
ma'am. Vimal is
Hold
there.
on to
That
copy.
tobacco that is there. That Ajay Devgan eats that, and after that he feels that everything is under him. Everyone is
Mhm.
coming to him. So it's like this.
Yeah. So on YouTube, I think we have the privilege of skipping advertisements if we don't like. They should be there in television also, right? If we don't like, we can skip.
Yeah, so we can do that. I do that. I turn over the channel, ma'am. Then I just simply turn over the channel and I come to the different channel. There sometimes advertisement is not there. So, but on YouTube it is difficult to skip the ads because there are usually two ads. One is for 20 seconds. You cannot do anything with that. But when you get the second ad, so it has the option for 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds you cannot skip. Then you do get the option. There you can skip it.
Yeah. So do you get influenced by advertisement? If you see any advertisement, do you quickly get influenced and do you end up buying that particular service or product? Or you think, analyze, and then you take any action?
Yes, ma'am. I do analyze things and I never ever follow the herd. I always go against the herd or against the flow. So, ma'am, when it comes to clothing, so I can be influenced. I can buy clothes blindly, but when it comes to other products, so first I see that whether they are going to suit me or not, whether they are really made for me. Am I really for them, or are they that matchable for me or compatible for me? Then I go for those products. Like Ramdev Baba product is there. So one day I used it, and I used it not by watching any advertisement. So I
Hmm.
was recommended to use the toothpaste that was Baba Ramdev toothpaste.
Dantkanti, I guess.
Then yes, in the beginning I enjoyed that, but after this I had a lot of problems. Then I stopped using that. So by advertisement we should not buy anything.
Yeah,
except
yeah, yeah.
clothing, I think.
Patanjali products are very famous in my area also, but I think we should stick to the ingredients. We think it's healthy, but every fatty items ingredients even it has. So we should be wise enough. Like they have noodles also. So
Yes.
even if it's a atta noodle or any noodle, I think noodle is noodle only. Not so healthy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
One day I went to a dentist. So there he told me, I was there with my mother. She had a problem in her teeth. So there he told me that he advised both of us that we should never ever use any product from Ramdev, especially his tooth products like Dantakanti. So he said Colgate was good to use. So since then we all have been using Colgate.
Oh my god, okay. I am okay, it's good. Whatever you like, you should use. Yeah. Like my
Yes,
mom,
ma'am.
she is a very big fan of Patanjali products. But yeah, she doesn't like if I say, right, Patanjali products, please don't. I like Colgate, I like Pepsodent, then she's like, no. Dantakanti only.
All right, yes.
Yeah. I think she is very much influenced by the advertisement, the way they
So,
advertise.
ma'am, you can do one thing whenever there's an advertisement like this, you just need to tune it into other channels. Then she would avoid watching that. Because, ma'am, I feel that she might have some adverse effect of it after some time. Because it is not recommended. It is really not good to use. So, and
Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't watch televisions, but she watches all the serials and everything, and she doesn't skip. I mean, she doesn't change the channel also. And if I change the channel, she doesn't like. She doesn't like that. I don't do anything.
all right, then.
Okay, so we need to end the session right here. Tell me if
All
you
right,
have
ma'am.
any questions for me.
No question, ma'am. That it was nice. And I don't have any
Yeah.
specific questions to ask.
Okay, okay. I must say, you have a really good command on the language. Maybe because you are a teacher. That's why you speak really well. Nothing to point out. So this is the feedback segment well, but there is always a scope of improvement. Keep on
Yes,
practicing. Okay.
yes, I would.
Yes. So we can end the session now. Give me a yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yes. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. It was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was amazing.